I'm Brian from San Rafael. This is Mickey. So we just finished a remodel of our master bathroom because of some issues we had on the floor. We made several inquiries and maybe 2 or 3 people came out before Green Bay, and we got several different answers. One person said it might take 16 or 17 weeks and an exorbitant, unbelievable price tag. Another person said, sure, he could do this, he could do that, he'd get back to us with a plan, it would make no issue at all and be no problem at all, and then we never heard back from them in spite of calling them back 2 or 3 times. And then Zack from Green Bay came out. Zack is our project manager, and he came out and he was very clear about what he thought could be done in the bathroom, and we were pretty much in agreement right away. He had a couple of ideas that I hadn't thought of, which I appreciated. He told us it would take maybe 3 or 4 weeks, and he sat down and gave us a budget, and I'm telling you, it was exact. We had an issue with the subfloor that had rotted out, which we weren't aware of. So he had to add a little bit to fix that, and they did a great job. And again, superb work, right on schedule. Zack called every single day. I didn't always take his calls, but he called every day. If I didn't talk to him, I saw him on the project site. And his team was fantastic, great attention to detail. They did everything they said they were going to do and beyond. I'm very, very pleased with the end result. I would definitely think about hiring Green Bay again for when we have another project around here, which I'm sure we will. I would definitely recommend the Green Bay Remodeling to friends and neighbors. In fact, I think I have already mentioned it to a couple of people in the neighborhood.